Dua, satu. Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Nama saya Muhammad Azim bin Azlan, dan kumpulan kami ingin membentangkan tentang mini projek Python kami yang bernama Library Management System. Dan ini adalah kod kami. Uh, okay, first kami import tkinter as tk, and from tkinter import message box, import JSON and import OS. Then we make the code to file uh, to store the books. First, we create a variable which is books underscore file equal books JSON. Then we create a function which is def load books. This is to go into the file and search for available books. Then we have second function is save books, which is it is to save the books in the database which already been added in the system. Then we create a class which is library manager. In it, we have the self.root is root, self.root.title uh, is library management system, and self books equal load underscore books. Then we have the main container for the GUI. Main equal frame equal tk dot frame with the x and the y is 20, and the main frame dot pack expand equal true, so it will be expand. Then we have the title label is library management system with Helvetica font, 24 size and bold, library pack. The padding is 10. Then we have the input fields GUI with the y pad y is 10. Then we have the button. We have the padding is 15. We also have add book button, update book button, delete book button, search book button, and refresh button. And I think that's all from me because it will be too long for me to explain all the GUI. I will give the next part to Kyrie
Yes.
for the next
Yeah.
function.
All right. I will go from here. Thank you, Azim. First, we will create for function that create label entry for pattern and tags frame tk dot frame for the frame of the pattern itself. Frame pack type field the site label frame tags with anchor and label dot pack site equal tk dot left entry equal tk dot entry frame y 40 entry dot pack site dot tk return entry left create button uh, sub pattern text comment color button equal tk dot button text comment command with 15 pg color and fg white button dot pack site equal tk dot left uh, PADX equal to 5. Alright, that's all for me. Um, for next,
Okay, next me. My name is Chivita and numbermetric F1993. I may explain about display books. Def display book is self list box delete in bracket 0 tk and n. If not self book, if cells list box insert n and no books available. if else for IDX books in enumerate self book and started. Self book list box insert TKN FDIX and book title by book author. And then self status config is text about total books and self books. Then def add book. Add book is self title and entry dot get. Another is auto is self auto and entry get. If not if not title or not author, message will show on about input error or please enter both title and author. That's it from me.
Okay, for me, I would like to explain the function of update book. So for this one, we use if else statement. For example, uh, if user insert we call what? For example, user click the update button, so it will show that message, which is please select a book to update, which means we have to select the output first lah, that user insert. So for that, we added message box which is warning, and then we insert a message that please select a book to update. Okay, and then it will display the title of the book and author also. So the second one is delete book, which means we have to delete fully from the GUI lah. So for this one, we have select if statement also, which is um, when the user click the delete button, so the system will appear a message box, which means are you sure you want to delete this book? So once the user click the yes button, so it will be deleted from the GUI fully lah. So the third one is search book. It's also same like that. And then clear entries, which is self dot title alias entry. So it's like deleted statement lah. So now I would like to share the output. So here we can add book. When we click add book without we insert any title or author, so it will shows error message, which is please enter both title and author. So we can click OK. So we can insert whatever we want. So once we click add book, so it will shows success message, which is book added successfully. So we can click OK. For the update, we should select what title we have to update or update lah. For example, I choose the third one, Hang Tua by Ahmad. So then I click update. So it will show enter both title and author. Example, so the book update successfully. So for the delete button, I can select the fourth row, and then I click delete book. So it will shows the message, are you sure you want to delete this book? So I click yes. So the book will delete automatically. So for the search book, for example, I search Jawan lah, Jawan. So it will show only one row in the box. So for the refresh, so it will come again with the previous records. Okay, that's all for our library management system. Thank you.